Hello, my friend, and welcome back to 24/7 Talk English. This is day 2 of your English Foundation series. Today, we'll focus on the most common everyday English sentences using simple grammar, easy verbs, and repeat after me practice. These are real sentences you can use at home, at work, at school, everywhere. Let's begin. Present simple practice. The present simple is the most important tense for daily life. We use it for routines, habits, and facts. Listen and repeat. I wake up early. I drink water. I go to work. I study English. I like simple sentences. Now with third person. He wakes up early. She drinks coffee. He goes to the office. She studies English every day. One more natural repetition. I learn, I grow, I improve. Daily activity verbs. Now, let's practice the verbs we use every single day. Repeat after me. Wake up. Get ready. Eat breakfast. Go out. Come back. Cook food. Clean the house. Read something. Watch something. Sleep early. Now, let's put them in short phrases. I wake up on time. I get ready for my day. I eat breakfast every morning. I go out for work. 20 daily sentences. Now we go into real-life sentences you can start using immediately. Repeat after me. 1. I wake up early every day. 2. I make my bed. 3. I get ready for work. 4. I eat breakfast with my family. 5. I check my phone in the morning. 6. I go to work by bus. 7. I drink water during the day. 8. I listen to English while working. 9. I talk to my friends in the afternoon. 10. I take a short break. 11. I come home in the evening. 12. I spend time with my family. 13. I watch something online. 14. I learn English for 15 minutes. 15. I relax before sleeping. 16. I clean my room every night. 17. I plan my next day. 18. I keep things simple. 19. I stay positive. 20. I sleep early. Now say a few of them naturally. I learn English for 15 minutes every day. I stay positive and keep improving. Excellent. Repeat after me practice. Let's do a fluency drill. Shadow my voice. Match my tone, rhythm, and speed. Slow pace. I live a simple life. I follow a routine. I improve my English every day. I am consistent. Natural pace. I live a simple life. I follow a routine. I improve my English every day. I am consistent. Motivational pace. I learn. I practice. I grow. I am getting better. Beautiful work. Great job completing Day 2 of your English Foundation series. You practiced the present simple, daily activity verbs, 20 useful sentences, and a strong speaking drill. Come back tomorrow for Day 3, where we continue building your English step by step. This is 24/7 Talk English. Keep practicing, keep growing. See you in Day 3.